Well, I always like it when I'm done, but I sure cuss a lot when I'm doing it. So I've got the harness wired in. I've tuned up the brush wiring a little bit. And I started to do some of the wiring for the engine. And we have now a fire in the boiler. Yes, that's what's called the bulkhead, and I've created a little hole in there that's called a firebox, and behind that is 2 orange and 1 red LED that flicker at different frequencies, and then I have a lens in front of it that kind of diffuses the light a little bit so it looks like orange fire, and it really looks good. We got way too much smoke going on here. I'm going to have to check into this. Something's a little scary. But at any rate, that's what I got done was the smoke. And I'll tell you, it's not hard, but the wire is so thin, it's just tedious. Really thin, light, really thin wire. You got to glue it in. I'm going to put in some plugs here. And then I'm also going to include a plug for the headlight so that it'll wire in and you can unplug it. I've been looking and looking and I cannot find my boiler cover. I have boiler covers for Hudsons and Northerns, and I don't have one for this K5, and I have 5 or 6 K5s. I'm gonna have to look through another box, see if I can find it. I was going to try to do the headlight, but I set that aside and I said, well, I have the firebox, so let's wire it up for sound, and that's what I did. So that's all I got done. I got the harness and the firebox today. Very tedious, oh well, but it's done, you know, and once it's assembled and this thing is buttoned up, I think you'll appreciate the efforts on this. And of course, when we get the railings all nice and shiny, that'll be exciting too. So, okay, that's it for today. Firebox. It's okay. I mean, you know, it's a cool thing. Let's see if I can do it again. I hope I don't burn something up this way. Yeah, there we go. There we go. We're back in business. All right, gang. Talk to you later.